Okay guys, let's break this down. Stand facing each other in a closed frame and prepare to turn to the right with natural turns. Man prepares to step forward on right foot and lady back on left. And step, side, together, step, side, together. Continue dancing in a small circle, turning around each other clockwise. Continue with one more forward progression, then the man stops and changes his hold to two-hand hold connection, stepping away from each other and into the basket position, passing through. Continue walking around, lady back and man forward. You can simply walk this through or continue marking 1, 2, 3 waltz rhythm with your feet. Next, the man is going to roll the lady off his right arm, opening his left free to the side, then rock to each other and away. Man prepares to turn lady anti-clockwise, passing through and switching sides. Extend to the side, now again to each other and away. Now turn lady clockwise and then bring her into closed frame, preparing to step to the side into the dip. Hope this was helpful guys, and see you in the next video for more wedding dance ideas.